Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your general tarot reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel Virgo and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below for you to be able to win a free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Also, Virgo, please know that if you are not resonating with this reading, you can check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And this general reading here, Virgo, does not include love. So for those of you who want to check out what is your love situation for the month of August 2021, you may check the link in the description box down below. And this general message is also timeless, so whenever you come across this message, will be relevant to you. So let's start with the reading here, Virgo, with the energy for the month of August 2021. I've got deceptions and then I've got the healing light coming up here. So let me start with this particular deceptions energy coming up for you here, Virgo. With this deceptions energy here, I feel like this is something that you've been going through within the last couple of weeks or within the last couple of months. For some of you here, this is something that even far into the past here is what I'm getting for you here, Virgo. I feel like you have gone through a certain situation where you were being manipulated or you were being deceived by someone who you actually really close with. So this could be a family member, could be a friend, could also be someone that you were dating here as well. Now with this particular deceptions energy here, there is still a lot of pain and trauma and hurt that you've been keeping within yourself here, Virgo. And with this particular energy here, this is also another reason why you might be feeling a little bit hesitant to just open up yourself to any new and supportive connection coming up into your life, because the first thought that you are getting here is that what if you are going through the same manipulation, what if you are going to go through the same deceptions and manipulation again. So you are having this defensive wall up that you've been put within yourself here, and you are not really allowing other people to get close towards you, and you're also not allowing yourself to be open up to other people here as well. So this is something that, because of the pain and because of the trauma here, Virgo, you just like rather keeping everything within yourself here. Now with this healing light energy that I've got coming up for you here, Virgo, this particular month of August 2021 here, you're going to be getting a lot of new and supportive connection coming up into your way. This can be in terms of your friend situation, can be in terms of your career, work situation. For some of you, this could also be in terms of your love situation here as well, Virgo. But the thing here is that because of the pain, because of the trauma that you've been putting within yourself here, you are unable to just open up yourself. You are also not able to let other people to get to know you here. So there is this blockages that you've been putting within yourself, and it's time for you here to remove and release the blockages here by focusing on healing any past pain and any past trauma coming up from this particular deception energy. So this is basically letting you know that you need to forgive yourself for trusting other people quite easily, as well as forgiving other people who might have done wrong towards you here, Virgo. Looking into the tarot reading here, I've got the Page of Cups. I've also got the Nine of Swords energy coming up here. Now the Nine of Swords energy that I've got coming up for you here, Virgo, this is also talking about a little bit of feeling anxious, anxiety, trouble sleeping, and just like overall here you could still feel the, again, this may be related to this particular deceptions, or just like overall energy, some sort of like a past pain and past trauma that you are still keeping within yourself, within your subconscious level is what I'm getting here, Virgo. And with this anxiety, this is also another reason why you still feel the very strong anxious energy, just feeling anxious in general, like trouble sleeping here. And with this Page of Cups energy here, you could not really connect with other people in a deeper emotional level, I would say here. So you are always, like being caught in your guard just by talking, or just like by interacting with that particular service level only here. So this is also another reason here, Virgo, why you couldn't connect with other people, because of the fear within yourself here. And this is why you need to let go of those particular fear energy. This is the time that you need to walk away from things that's no longer serving you here, such as this particular fear, the anxiety, forgiving yourself and forgiving people who might have done wrong towards you. This month is calling you for a very strong healing energy here, Virgo. I've also got the Tower energy coming up for you here. Now, do not be afraid, because the tower movement does not necessarily have to be a bad thing. With this tower energy and the healing energy coming up here, this is basically you will be put into a certain situation, into this particular place, that this is going to be the start of your healing journey. You are going to be able to like finally face all of those pain and all of those trauma that have been running away from here, is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. So honestly, yes, it's definitely hard to go through the experiences again, like the past pain and the past memory, but I feel like this particular shift is definitely something that you need here. Because what is coming up for you here, Virgo, I've got the Ace of Pentacles energy coming up here. The Ace of Pentacles is basically talking about stability coming up in your way in many area of your life here. I've also got the Ten of Swords energy coming up here. So for you to be able to experience, or for you to be able to get the most of this particular stability that is coming up into your way here, this new beginning that is coming up into your way, you need to let go of any betrayal, any backstab, any pain, any trauma, any deceptions, and any type of manipulations that you might have been going through here. So with these two energies that I've got coming up for you here, the Nine of Swords and the Ten of Swords energy here, this is a huge progress that will be happening within yourself here, Virgo. And this progress will definitely be ending up successfully and victoriously coming up for you here. Yes, there is going to be a little bit of pain, sadness, and heartbroken energy that I've got coming up here. But the most important thing here is that once you go through this, once you go through the healing energy here, once you go through the changes that you need here, everything is just going to start falling into places into your life here, is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. Now I've also got the Four of Swords energy coming up here. This is also another thing that you need to pay attention to here, which is do not rush into it. So when it comes into healing, when it comes into this whole shift, the major shift and the major transformation that is currently going on within your life and will be going throughout this month of August 2021 here, Virgo, the most important thing is that do not push yourself, do not rush yourself here. Take your time, like do one step at a time here. Even the smallest progress that you are making within a day here is still count as a progress. Even though you are doing only 1% every day here, within the month you have gone through a 30% progress. Within the 2 months you're going to a 60% progress. So no matter how small and how little the progress that you are making is still count as a progress here, Virgo. So that's it for your reading here, Virgo, for the month of August 2021. I hope the message resonates with you, and if it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.